Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and this will be a short video where I want to show you how I am using Amazon Alexa to control my light in my home. Okay, so this is more of a home automation using Amazon Alexa. So it's a pretty simple project. Okay, so you just need to buy an Amazon Alexa. Okay, and you can buy some of Wi-Fi controlled lamp. It can be Wipro, Skisa, any other brands. Okay, and with that you can configure your Amazon Alexa to connect to the light, and using voice control you should be able to control the light. Okay, so you can tell to Alexa like switch on the light or switch off the light, or if it's a multicolored light you can tell Alexa that change the color to a different color. So that is what I'm going to show you. So I'm not going to show the complete how to configure it, but I will show you how it works. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like the video, share and comment. Alexa, switch off the light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the light.
Okay.
Alexa, can you change the color of the light to red?
Okay.
Alexa, can you change the color of the light to green?
Okay.
Alexa, can you change the color of the light to white?
Okay.
Alexa, switch off the light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the light.
Okay.
Alexa, can you change the color of the light to blue?
Okay.
Alexa, can you change the color of the light to pink?
Okay.
Alexa, change the color of the light to white.
Okay.
Alexa, can you play My English?
My English from Spotify.
Alexa, stop. As you can see, like what I showed, like I have an Alexa Echo, which I bought from Amazon. Okay, you can buy it from any place, and you can also buy a smart bulb. Okay, and what you need to do is you need to install the app in your phone. Okay, it can be an Android, iOS, and you need to configure your Amazon Alexa first. Okay, so the Echo will connect you to your Wi-Fi phone, and then you can configure the bulb. So since in my case it's a Wipro, so I'm using a Wipro Smart app, and there I'm configuring the bulb in the app. So Wipro bulb and Amazon Alexa or Echo is both in the same Wi-Fi network, so it can communicate. So when I control through the voice, Alexa can control the bulb. Okay, and it's not only just for controlling the bulb, you can also do automations on other stuff, so which I'll be doing in the upcoming tutorial. So I just want to show you, like I have Amazon Echo which I bought, so I'm going to use this for more automations. Okay, and you can also see like it can be used for fun, and also listening to music, a lot of other games which my kids use through Echo. Okay, so there are a lot of purpose we can use it through Echo. We can use for Amazon Alexa. Okay, so I hope this is an informative tutorial for you. Okay, thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like the video, share and comment.